Hey, it's your girl Chab, and today I'm coming at you with this makeup tutorial right here. Today I'm going to be bringing you New Year's Eve glam inspired by Mmmmitchell. Follow him on this right here at Mmmmitchell on Instagram if you have an Instagram, which you should. Hello, because you're following just Chab, of course. Duh. Anyway, I definitely take a lot of inspiration from Mitchell because he does amazing like cut creases and halo eyes and stuff like that, and it's definitely Chab approved, so you know your girl loved that. So anyway, if you want to know how to get this a beautiful cut crease inspired by Mitchell, then let's get started. All right guys, so we're gonna start off the look today. My inspiration is from good old Mitchell on Instagram. This is the look that I'm going to do. We're gonna pop it on the screen here. It looks like a sunset eye, but like, you know, the sun is like pretty much hitting the water, everything's purple, and then you got the yellow in the center and stuff, and it's warm on the crease and things like that. So my first product that I'm going to use to prime the eyelids is the Wet n Wild MEGALAST Liquid Catsuit Creme Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Camelback. And I've been using this lately and I really like it actually. So I'm gonna apply it to the lid to prime my eyes and also cut out the bottom of the brow. And then we're gonna get on with this eyeshadow, so let's go. Alright, so my eyes are now primed. We're gonna go in with the James Charles palette right here. I did a review on it already. Go check it up in the cards up above right here. So here's the palette. Like I said, it gets a little messy, okay? Just because of the natural oils on my hands, okay? So we're gonna use the palette here today because I feel like it has every single color that I would ever need to do any kind of look that I would ever want to achieve. So we're gonna take the Morphe E22. You could use KOHL Mama to save nothing off because it's not a code. We're gonna take the E22 and we're gonna go in with the color Tune, and I'm gonna just work this all over my crease and pretty much just get the colors ready for the other colors. So yeah, let's go. All right, on the same brush, I'm going to take the color 518, which is a nice orange color, with the same brush again, and I'm going to work that really high up on the crease because this is going to be a kind of moon-shaped halo eye situation, like cut crease halo eye situation. I'm gonna work it up as close to the brow bone as I can, or like the brow area, but not like all the way up, I guess, but kind of all the way up. You'll see what I mean. Let's go. All right, next color I'm going to add, which doesn't look like it's in there, but I want to add it anyway. I'm going to take the color Rusted, which is right next to 518 on the same brush again, just because, you know, it starts to fade into like the purple and stuff, and I kind of want to do that. So I'm gradually getting like cooler, I guess. Doing warmer, cooler, then cooler. Yeah, let's go. All right, looking at this picture, it kind of scares me that there's so much like deep dark crease work going on in there, but I'm gonna start off slowly. So I'm gonna take the next color, which is Love That, which is like a purple, and I'm gonna work that and fill in like the crease area here. All right, now same brush. I've been using the M514 from Morphe. I'm gonna take the color Escape, and right on top of that purple, Love That, I'm just gonna deepen it even more. Gonna be scary. Here we go. All right, still taking the same brush that we use Escape, I'm gonna go into the color Spooky, which is like a deep dark black, okay? It's black. We're gonna deepen this up even more because, you know, it is New Year's Eve. We are going to make this jump pop. By pop, it means we're gonna make it real dark. So let's do this. All right, so quickly I'm gonna go back into Escape just to kind of go around this black situation, but so far it's doing the thing that I want it to do. All right, the moment of truth. We are going to finally cut the crease. So the highest point is like at the very center and it kind of domes off. So what it looks like is it kind of domes off here. The highest point is about right here, and then it gets smaller right before the edge ends. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm going to take my CATSUIT again. So let's cut this crease. Okay, so I cut the crease on this eye right now, and I kind of lost the darkness. I'm gonna bring it back a little bit later, but first I want to lay down the color. So I'm gonna go in with a flat brush, and I'm gonna go in with the color B, and I'm gonna focus this on the very center of the eye to try to create like a spotlight halo. So most of the color is gonna be here on the top, and then it's going to be narrow in the center of the eye and kind of fade out. And then I'm also going to take the color Artistry, which is kind of like a metallic-y purple, and I'm gonna layer that on the sides. And then I'm gonna go back in with that really thin fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go back to Escape and darken the inner and outer corners of my eye. So let's go. So this is the eye situation I got going on right here. Okay, I'm gonna take Morphe's metallic eyeshadow here. It's a cream metallic eyeshadow, and I'm gonna layer this on top of the yellow and stuff. It's not gonna be quite exact to the picture, okay? This is my rendition of the eye look, okay? So we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do the other eye, apply some mascara, apply some lashes, and then do the face, and then we'll work on the bottom. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, here are the top of the eyes. I've freaking used Lily Lashes Mykonos. These are like the biggest lashes that I own because it's either go big or go home with 2019, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna do the face. All of the products that I'm gonna be using on my face, I will list them down below. I don't really like to do my face and explain it all or whatever, but I could do an in-depth foundation routine, like new foundation routine, I guess, or whatever. Anyway, so I'm gonna go and do my face now. So let's go. Alright, so I got foundation, concealer, powder on my face right now. So I'm gonna finish the lower lash line. So looks like what they did was they took stuff that we use on the crease on the lower lash line, but like smoked it out underneath, and they put a bunch of like bright purple. So I'm gonna do some bright purple right quick, you know what I'm saying? So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line my lower lash line. I'm going to take the Rimmel London waterproof KAJAL pencil in the shade black eyeliner, and I'm gonna line my waterline. Okay, next I'm gonna take the shade Escape on a BH Cosmetics number 7, and I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. So when I apply that eyeliner, I apply it really messily, so it's kind of like on my lower lash line as well. And I'm gonna take that and just smoke it out underneath. All right, I'm gonna take my own artistic spin. I'm gonna go in and take the color Artistry, the one that I used on the eyelid here, and I'm actually gonna use it on my lower lash line here, right on top of Escape. For the inner corner, I'm going to take a mixture of Escape and Ring Light together. Okay, I'm gonna go back into 518 with a Morphe 506 brush, and I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line even more and transition it. I took a little bit of Love That and just put it right in between. And now I'm just gonna add some bottom mascara. I'm going to do the brows because the brows are naked, okay? They don't got nothing. I'm gonna do bronzer. I'm gonna do highlight, blush, all things like that. And then we'll be done with the look. So let's go. Lip combo for today will be the KYLIE Cosmetics Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Commando mixed with Dose of Colors Katie Desi whatever, you know, and this is the color over the top. All right guys, so this is my final look right here. This is not to the T. This is not exact to what Mmmmitchell did on Instagram. This is the look again right here. I just wanted to do a little bit of a glam spin to it. I mean, it's already glam and editorial and beautiful and great, but I just wanted to take a sparkly step towards it because it's like New Year's Eve and stuff. You want to be glam, you want to be beautiful and all that stuff. So anyway, hope you guys recreate this look and tag me if you do. And I hope you guys have a great new year and hope that you keep watching me throughout 2019. Hope to see you soon. And yeah, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all these social medias down below right here. And ding ding, hit the notification bell because your girl make new videos every Friday. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Happy New Year, y'all. Bye. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, make me sing and love me. It's just a little too late, a little too raw, and I can't wait. Nobody gonna love me better. I'ma stick with you forever. Nobody ever made me feel this way. I'ma stick with you.